Myself, Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we will conduct the practicals from pharmaceutics second subject of diploma course in pharmacy second year. So let's start with the introduction. Introduction to liquid dosage form. In that mixture, a mixture is a liquid preparation which is meant for oral administration, in which the medicament are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. There are five classes of mixtures. First, that is mixture containing soluble medicament, mixture containing diffusible medicament, mixture containing indiffusible solids or medicament, mixture containing potent medicament, mixture containing slightly soluble solid or liquid. Then start with a one by one. So simple mixture containing soluble substances. In that, simple mixture contain only soluble ingredient. Second, that is mixture containing diffusible solids. So diffusible solids are insoluble in water, but they get evenly distributed on shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient period of time, so that when the patient take the medicament by spoon from container, the medicament available in a right quantity. The example of diffusible solid, that is magnesium carbonate. Then third, that is mixture containing indiffusible solids. So indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in a water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficient period of time. Therefore, they are suspended in that, or they are suspended drug. Suspending agent are to be required. The example of indiffusible solid, that is acetyl salicylic acid. The example of suspending agent, that is compound tragacan powder, which is used in a proportion of 2%, that is in the proportion of 2 gram per 100 ml or 10 grains per fluid ounce of the mixture. Second, that is tragacan mucilage, which is used in the proportion of 1/4 of total volume or final volume of the mixture. The compound tragacan powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but tragacan mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or tragacan mucilage is used. The mixture containing slightly soluble liquids. So the insoluble portion of slightly soluble liquids is not readily diffusible. So suspending agent like compound tragacan powder or tragacan mucilage is used. The next, that is mixture containing potent medicament. So a very small dose is prescribed for potent medicament which is not directly weighable. So minimum weighable quantity is used and the required dilution are carried out to give a prescribed strength of the formulation. The recommended containers for mixture, that is glass bottle with uniform internal diameter, and the special labeling instruction for mixture containing diffusible and indiffusible solid, that is shake well before use. So let's start the experiment number 15 to prepare and submit Hoppischel mixture. So it is formed by alkali reaction with the magnesium sulfate. So magnesium sulfate, when combines with 2 molecules of sodium hydroxide, which will give magnesium hydroxide and sodium sulfate. That magnesium hydroxide can also form by hydration method of magnesium oxide, that is MgO plus H2O. We will give magnesium hydroxide, that is Mg in bracket O2 twice. The learning objective of this experiment in that intellectual skill to understand the purpose of Hoppischel mixture, its method of preparation, and motor skill, that is ability to prepare and label mixture correctly. The apparatus required for this experiment, that is mortar, pestle, beaker, measuring cylinder, funnel, calico cloth, etc. The prescription of this experiment, that is magnesium sulfate 47.5 gram, sodium hydroxide 15 gram, light magnesium oxide 52.5 gram, chloroform water 2.5 ml, purified water which is freshly boiled and cooled up to 1000 ml, sand 30 ml. The factor, that is quantity required, which is 30 ml, quantity given which is for, that is 1000 ml of prescription. So factor will be 0.03. The observation table, in that 5 columns. First one, that is type, second, that is translation, third one, that is quantity given in empirical system, then fourth, that is quantity given in metric system, and last one, that is quantity taken in a metric system. So magnesium sulfate, which is used as a catalytic, quantity given in metric system, in that 47.5 for 1000 ml. So according to the factor, that is 0.03, when multiply with 47.5, we will get the answer 1.4 gram, that is quantity taken in a metric system. Then sodium hydroxide, which is used as a alkalizing agent, for 1000 ml it requires 15 gram, and for 30 ml preparation, that sodium hydroxide will require 0.45 gram. Then light magnesium oxide, which is used as an antacid as well as laxative, for 1000 ml of preparation, that light magnesium carbonate use 52.5 gram, and for 30 ml of preparation it will require 1.53, that is 52.5, when multiply with 0.03 we will get that answer, that is 1.57. Then chloroform water, which is used as flavoring agent in 1000 ml of preparation, that chloroform is used 2.5 ml, and for 30 ml of preparation, that chloroform will require 0.075 ml. Purified water, which is used as a vehicle, that is volume makeup up to 1000 ml, and for 30 ml it will make up to 30 ml of volume. The direction for use to be taken as directed by physician. Then label of this preparation, that is official mixture 30 ml, for, in that name of patient, register number, in that number which is recorded in a register, dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist, then date of dispensing, then storage condition of this preparation, that is store in cool and dark place. The additional direction, that is shake well before use. Direction for use, that is to be taken as directed by physician. Manufactured by, that is DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhule. This is official mixture. Thank you.